I love you, Mommy, and I really care about you. And thanks for everything. Thanks for letting us put up the tree. Thanks for letting us put up the light. Thanks for taking us to church. Thanks for taking us to places. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm done. Oscar.
Yeah. Thank you for buying us gifts. Thank you for taking us to places. Thank you for giving us food. Thank you for giving us cereal. And then.
Thank you, Mom, for doing everything for us. And thank you. Bye. I love you.